Bhuna gorur mangsho, beef bhuna, is very favorite to all of us. Dear viewers, welcome to Deeba's recipe. Today I am going to show you how to cook beef bhuna. For marination, we are using 1 kilo of curry cut beef. I am adding 100 gram of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, garam masala, cardamom 4 pieces, 6 to 7 pieces whole black pepper, cinnamon 2 sticks, 4 pieces cloves and 2 bay leaves, half cup fried onion or Barista and 1 tablespoon oil. Now I am mixing all the ingredients with the beef very well. After mixing is done, I am keeping the beef into the refrigerator overnight for marination. If not possible, marinate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. After marination is done, add half cup of oil in a deep pan and let it heat. I am adding 4 pieces of dried red chilies, but this is optional. Put 1 cup of chopped onion and let it fry until it becomes golden. Now put the marinated beef in the pan and stir it very well with the onion. Add little amount of water so that the spice does not get burned. Stir it very well for 5 to 10 minutes. Then put the lid on the pan and let the beef cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, take the lid away and stir the beef well. Put the lid on the pan again and cook the meat for another 15 minutes on low heat. Repeat this process for a couple of times on low heat till the meat becomes very tender and dark brown. In this process, if necessary, add little amount of water. Finally, add some Barista or fried onion and let it be cooked for another 5 minutes with very low heat. To cook beef bhuna, it will take 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Cook till the meat becomes dry and very tender, till flesh comes off from bone. Our beef bhuna is ready to be served. Wow! Dear viewers, I cannot express what a tasty smell is coming out of this beef bhuna. You could only realize if you could taste it. Viewers, hope you liked my recipe. I will be back with my new recipe soon. Thank you for watching.